The people that work here are very passionate about what they do, proud of what they've achieved already, and committed to being a world-class manufacturing operation.
Generations and generations of people has come to this factory. We've had fathers and uncles that retired from this factory, and second and third generations working, and we take pride because GE is Hendersonville. When you say Hendersonville, you think of GE.
When lighting, traditional lighting was going away and LED was coming on the market, the business really saw the opportunity to sort of transform the way that we make products and really make it a more customer-centric manufacturing operation.
Years ago, Hendersonville had a very internal focus. So originally at that point in time, we had lead times of 4 to 6 weeks, and we were able to achieve that about 60% of the time.
What excites me about our opportunity here today is that we are taking lean manufacturing techniques, combining it with digital, and then just taking that to a whole new era.
Lean manufacturing to us is about eliminating waste in the process and removing operator frustration, respecting the operator. The digitization side is just taking our lean processes and making them even better through the use of digital tools.
We worked with a huge amount of paperwork out of the process.
There's no more paper log sheets, there's no more filing it in a cabinet and you got to search for information.
What we did is we put a flat screen in front of all our employees, and all the information they would need for them to do their job was there. Their drawings were there, their bill of material, assembly instructions, everything was there that they needed to complete the job.
When an employee has an idea for an improvement, they can submit this idea through our Gemba boards, which is the daily walk that we do. They submit an idea for an improvement there, which can then wind up on our Kaizen board.
One of the first things that we did on our system is we realized we had an order number that showed up on the factory floor. We could quickly look up and put the customer number. Now when you walk through our factory, you see the customer number. You know that that operator is building something for a major customer that gives them a sense of pride.
MES is our manufacturing execution system. It's a digital display that we have out on the floor. Right there, we just want to communicate what's important at that time. So what is the goal? What are you trying to achieve for the day? And how do you compare to that goal? We also can display the amount of downtime. We can also display the customers that we're serving and what's left on that order.
So lean manufacturing has really transformed the way we make products for our customers. It's taken away a lot of waste, and it's really improved our cycle times. Our customers felt their lead time go from 6 weeks down to under 2 weeks, and they saw their fill rates go from 60% to 95%.
We need to continue to take costs out of our product every day in order to stay competitive in the market. Automation is a great way to lower the costs in our products. Recently, we've been working with a Sawyer robot from Rethink Robotics, and this is a collaborative robot that allows us to work hand in hand with operators.
So what we've been able to do here at Hendersonville is we've been able to implement some of the products that we sell as a company right into our factory.
We have indoor positioning system as part of our fixtures, where we can get positioning within 4 inches of where a particular device is. So a person, an operator on a forklift, can pick up a pallet of product, move it around, never key in any information, and yet we know exactly what product is on that forklift. We know exactly where they put it, and when we move it and put it on the truck, we can see it's consumed and on that truck. So we get better operationally.
So as GE looks at being a digital industrial, Hendersonville is a great example of how we actually run our plant a lot like we want to sell our products to our customers.
It is definitely a huge honor to be designated as one of GE's top 9 brilliant factories. And I think we are a great showcase site for that reason.
For the people here to be designated as a GE Brilliant Factory, I mean, they're one of, the top 9 showcase sites in all of GE, and they strive every day to be number 1.
We're constantly pushing to make ourselves better. We're constantly implementing changes. We're constantly doing things that the customer knows to do, and there's no boundaries. Whatever the customer wants, we find a way to do it.
We're on the forefront. I mean, we're pushing the edge. Nobody's doing what we're doing. We're figuring it out as we go. So it's a giant agile project. We pivot when we go the wrong direction. We turn around, we try something new, and it's exciting to be in that environment.